Hello and welcome back everyone to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an income transaction on the EveryDollar app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EveryDollar app on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, you will be taken to your dashboard. Now if you wish to add any income transaction, tap on Transactions at the bottom. And now you can find the plus button at the bottom right corner. Just tap on this, and this will now take you into the Add Transaction menu. You can choose from expense or income, and in this case, we're adding an income, so tap on the income option. Now your current date is already selected, but if you wish to change this, in case you have received this income on a previous date, you can tap on the date option and choose any date that you wish. After this, you can enter the amount of income that you want to add. Just enter your income, and underneath you can enter the source of this income. Now underneath the source, you can assign this income to any budget items that you have. You can also enter the check number if you wish and add a personal note for yourself if you want to. After this, you can tap on the done button, and now your income has been added to your transactions right away. You can go back to this transaction and make any changes if you wish, and also assign it to a different budget item. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add an income transaction onto the EveryDollar application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.